Hey guys, welcome back to the Starkville YouTube channel. For this video, I have 20 amazing Tacklife tool deals to share with you. These are all at Walmart. Everything will be linked down below. If you've been a long-time subscriber to the YouTube channel, then you have seen Tacklife a bunch of times. We used to post a ton of Tacklife stuff when they were selling on Amazon. I first started posting Tacklife deals in 2018, so it's not a company that just popped up recently. They've been around for a while, and we've been really happy with their tools in the past. And they have some really amazing deals over on Walmart's website right now. You'll notice some of the stuff is sold directly by Walmart. Other items are sold by Tacklife's Walmart selling account. You should be able to get free shipping on orders over $35 no matter which one's selling it. And I don't have Walmart Plus, but it looks like Walmart Plus members get free shipping on all items. So first, we have the Tacklife Safety Workwear Hearing Protectors. It says normally $30. They're really probably closer to like $15 value. $29.99 is a little ridiculous. But $4.30 for the earmuffs. Here we have a Tacklife mouse detail sander with 12 pieces of sandpaper. Again, this one is sold by Walmart themselves. Normally $39 down to $13.77 for the little sander. One of my favorite tools is the Rivet Nut Tool. These things are amazingly useful. If you've never used one before, don't know what it is, these are rivet nuts right here. They come in different diameters and different threads. These are your different mandrels for the different sizes. And you put a hole in something, you fill the hole with this little rivet nut, and it works just like a pop rivet, basically. But you can thread a bolt through the middle of it. Well, here's installing it. Where's a bolt going through it? Well, they don't have any good pictures, but they are really amazing. So we get the Rivet Nut Tool. This is an 11-incher. You get 6 metric and SAE mandrels plus 60 rivet nuts. Normally $60, half price down to $29.99. And you'll see this one is by the Tacklife selling account, which, is that even a word? Look at that. Wode Shijikai Jishens Hen Yu Izan Gongzi. It's my favorite right there. Here we have Tacklife 2-piece 90-degree right angle miter clamps, normally $45. Again, that's a little too much. Down to $15.44, and we're back to an item that is actually shipped and sold by Walmart. I don't even know if I've already done it, but at some point I'm going to say shipped and sold by Amazon. Here we have a Tacklife Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. I think it also functions as a welding helmet, but officially it's a helmet. Normally $49.99 down to $27.99. Again, if you buy a couple items, put it together, get over $35, you get that free shipping. So to compare, even when Harbor Freight's cheapest welding helmet is on sale, it's still $40. So we're $12 cheaper than even the best sale price you can get out of Harbor Freight on this item. Mini hot glue gun, 20 watt with 30 glue sticks. Flexible trigger. Is that like a variable speed trigger? Kind of similar maybe. I don't know how that would work with a glue gun. High temp overheating protection and heating up quickly. $6.99, normally $19.99. That's a really good price, especially for 30 glue sticks. Really good, and that's by Tacklife's selling account. We have the sanding disc, 5-inch hook and loop for your Orbital sander. Normally $26.98 down to $9. It's for 100 pieces. I remember going to Farm and Fleet when I was a kid, paying like $6 for a 5-pack. And then I got smart and started buying the 25 packs. They were still much more expensive than $9. Here we have a Rivet Gun Kit, Rivet. 80 pieces, 4-in-1 hand riveter, 4-tool, free interchangeable heads. Normally $37. I would love to see where they get the original prices on some of these. And down to $11.88 with our current sale pricing. Here we have a step bit set. You're getting 5 step bits plus that automatic center punch, normally $50 down to $19.99. Really good deal. It's hard to say how long they will last. Like, you can buy a single step bit that'll cost you like $80. And then you can get some super cheap ones on Amazon where a single one will be like $10 or $15. So to get 5 plus the center punch for $20, good deal. Hopefully they last. Side note on the center punch, do not test it out on a plastic shelving unit. It'll blow a hole right through that sucker. Here we have the Tacklife Drive Master Shallow Impact Socket Set. Again, this is sold by Walmart, and they did not do amazing listings. Okay, some of these were very confusing. I'm trying to figure out exactly what the hell we're doing here. Was $32.97, now $16.22. We can see, did we get a big picture? No, that's all we get. This is all we get. Let's see what's down here. 6-point socket design, shallow. Oh boy. Does it even say if it's metric or SC? Drive it. Okay, we can figure this out. Hold on. So looking up the same model number directly on Tacklife's website, we see, which by the way, they're $41 directly on their website. Half-inch metric, 15 pieces with 2 extensions. So all that for $16.22. Pretty amazing. Here we have the socket and socket set nut driver bit sets, chrome vanadium steel. Normally $18.99 down to $6.99. And the automatic self-adjusting wire strippers 3-in-1. Normally $29.99 down to $7.88. I love these things. Now, I don't have the Tacklife ones. I have Irwin, and I have another Amazon knockoff brand. But you can put any kind of wire in there, and you pull the trigger, or squeeze the handles in this case, and strips it automatically. It can be, house, like Romex stuff. It can be coaxial cable. It can be automotive, multi-strand, even like tiny. I use these on Ethernet, not like the big Ethernet cable. Yeah, it did take the outer sheathing off, but even those tiny ass little wires in an Ethernet cable, worked on that. This little thing adjusts the depth of how much you're stripping. I really like these things. Look at that action. Oh, how do I get it to stay there? Look at that strip in action. It's the best stripper you'll see today. Tacklife 4-in-1 center finding electronic wall detector, also known as a stud finder. Normally $39.99 down to $13.88. Another socket set. Here's the half-inch drive master deep impact socket set, 6-point 17-piece. Looks like they are SAE sockets with a handy-dandy case and a few different extensions. Normally $80 down to $20.22, which is a really good price there. More sockets. Here we have the 47-piece 3/8-inch drive with a ratchet. Again, we're getting a couple of extensions. We've got a universal over there, a mixture of deep well and shallows. And it looks like all 6-point, as I can see. Normally $43.97 down to $27.88. Here we have the Tacklife Master Hex Bit Socket Set. Normally $30 down to $11.99. Again, we get the handy-dandy case with a 35-piece set. More sockets. 3/8-inch, 16-piece deep impact socket set. These are metric sockets, normally $30 down to $14.88 for that set there. Looks like we have 7 up to 22. And a little Homeowner Repair Kit, 144-piece kit with the handy-dandy case. Normally $100. Down to $22. Let's see, what all are we getting here? We got some sockets, we got some hex keys, we got bits, we got like a little wall picture hanging kit, snap blade knife, hammer, levels, some screwdrivers, the bit driver guy, a cheap pair of scissors, those used to be free at Harbor Freight, a couple of pairs of pliers, some precision screwdrivers, get a ratchet, a bit holder, a telescoping magnet guy, and it looks like a test light, I'm guessing, but there's only the main portion. We got tape measure, some electrical tape. You get it all. That's everything ever made ever in the universe right there. That's a complete set right there. $22. And we have a screwdriver set. 18 piece was $50 down to $15. One time we got a really good deal on a similar set of these on Amazon. I know because I bought them, and I wouldn't have bought them unless they were a really good deal. And they're actually pretty decent screwdrivers. I got the acetate handles, which I actually like better. Kind of reminds me of my Craftsman's. But it comes in the handy dandy case here. And they don't show them in the case, but they all kind of lock into place, and it's pretty good, especially for 15 bucks. It's a good deal. Here we have the screwdriver, cordless, 3.6 volt, 31 piece, normally $60, down to $11.99. Looks like we get a little bit set going with it. We get a single drill bit, the charge cable, a little like right angle adapter looking guy. It's kind of cool. So there it is, guys. All 20 of those amazing Tacklife deals are posted on the website. I'll have the links down below. And if we end up enjoying these Tacklife deals, I'll try and incorporate it a little more often into the website as we see similar deals pop up. So thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.